Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to turn on or enable autoplay on Disney Plus. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so just follow along the steps that I'm going to show you on the screen. So guys, first thing that you need to do is launch the Disney Plus on your web browser, and after that, tap on the profile on the top right corner of the screen. So when you tap the profile icon, click on Edit Profiles from the drop-down menu. And after that, select the profile you want to turn on the autoplay feature. And now guys, you will be able to see the autoplay. Make sure to toggle the autoplay and turn it on. And after that, just make sure to save it. And from there, you'll be able to turn on and enable the autoplay on Disney Plus. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.